So here are our smoothie bowls. You can create and make your own design. My designs were this for my smoothie bowl. And they all have the same ingredients except that one has granola and chocolate syrup and the other one has strawberry syrup and peanut butter. But they all contain our healthy trilogy, which is the hemp heart, chia seeds, as well as flax seeds. Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a smoothie bowl. We're making strawberry avocado chocolate smoothie bowl. So we have our wonderful trilogy here, which encompasses our hemp hearts, chia seeds. I say chia, some people say chia. So chia seeds and flax seeds. We have our vanilla, we have our frozen strawberries, our frozen avocados, as well as our almond milk. And we have our wonderful garnish for our smoothie, peanut butter, some dark chocolate chips, some fresh strawberries cut up, some almonds, some sliced almonds, as well as our sugar-free strawberry syrup and chocolate syrup. So let's get into our vitamin content and make our smoothie bowl. Your smoothie doesn't just have to be for breakfast. It could be your midday snack. It could be your lunch. It could actually be your dinner if you don't feel like going all out and cooking. You can make this and be nutritionally sound. Strawberries has vitamin C, K, and magnesium. Almond milk has vitamins A, D, E, and calcium. Vanilla extract has vitamins A, B1, B2, B5, B6, B12, C, D, biotin, and folic acid. Our Greek yogurt, our strawberry Greek yogurt has vitamins B12, calcium, and selenium. Our avocado has vitamins B2, B3, B5, B6, C, E, K, folate, potassium, magnesium, and it's your healthy fat. Peanut butter has vitamins B3, B6, K, magnesium, manganese. Now our trilogy, which contains chia seeds, or chia as you would say, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acid, phosphorus, and selenium. It also contains hemp hearts, which is vitamins E, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, and flax seeds. Vitamins B6, copper, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, and phosphorus. Almonds contains vitamins E, calcium, magnesium, riboflavin. It's your unsaturated fat, and it also has very high fiber. And it's also great protein. Dark chocolate, which is your dark chocolate as well as your dark chocolate syrup, contains copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. And your strawberry syrup contains vitamins A, B6, B12, and a small amount of vitamin E. Now with your flaxseed, that's very good if you have issues going to the bathroom. You can have some flax seeds. It will help you to become regular. No facts. Disabilities make people more vulnerable to food insecurity. 38.8% of households that are food insecure have one adult with disability living there. You can learn more by visiting us by jdhcdc.org. Hello, my chefing family. I am so excited to share some great news with you guys. And the news is, I can't even contain myself, I'm so excited. I am a first-time author. I have my new book out called A Twist on Boring Salads, a Salad a Day. Look at all of these gorgeous salads, 30 salads for 30 days a week, 30 days a month. Sorry, I'm so excited. I said a week. A month. Want to show you a little bit inside so you get a little sneak peek here. Nice kind of, you know, big writing. Look at all the stuff. Just to kind of get, look at this. All of these salads are in full color. No black and white pictures, so you can see the full on version of what you're gonna be making. So I would love if you guys can support getting this book, because this book is not just for you and being the star of the party, the star of the event, and keeping healthy. It also helps support a great charity of families suffering from food insecurity. So you can get yourself a copy on Amazon.com. Who doesn't love Amazon? So go to Amazon.com and you can put Chef Fran. If you can't remember the name of the book, I'll come up. Or you could put A Twist on Boring Salads. Get yourself a copy. Love you guys. So I have a cup of almond milk here. And I'm going to put, because we want this to be nice and not even much in this bag. So I'll put one more big strawberry. So it's about, granted the bag is not all that big. I would say I did 3/4 of the bag. And the reason for it is not just because of the vitamins for the avocado, but avocado will also give you this nice creaminess in your smoothie as well. And so I am going to do, and as you know, avocado doesn't really have such a pronounced flavor. It is delicate and it is considered a fruit, not a vegetable. But I know we eat it with a lot of savory food and as well as some sweet foods. It is great for baking. So I am actually gonna take probably just a quarter. Quarter of this bag of avocado. Oops. Well, that can go up. There we go. Add a little more for the creaminess. And we'll add strawberry. There we go. And now this is sugar-free and it's keto-friendly. So you can go to Chocolate. This is not sponsored if you want to have it. So this is about a teaspoon of that syrup. And we're gonna put our vanilla extract, about a cup, just about a cupful, which would be equivalent to 1 teaspoon. I just love vanilla and think that it's fantastic in everything. And this is pure vanilla extract. And this yogurt here is actually a keto-friendly yogurt. If you're on a keto diet, you can't have berries, of course, and you can have avocado and almond milk, so you could have this because it only has 2 grams of sugar in it. So it is something great to have, in 12 grams of protein and no sugar but the natural strawberry itself. So it's not as thick as most yogurts, but it is a Greek, sorry about that. It is Greek yogurt. Okay, so you want a baby spatula if you're not using a big tub of Greek yogurt to make your smoothie. So all of our ingredients are in for the smoothie, which is our Greek yogurt, our strawberry Greek yogurt, our avocado, our vanilla extract, our almond milk, our frozen, well, the avocados were frozen, by the way, and so was the strawberries. And we are ready to go. Got my power on and then my smoothie. So. Again, you can design yours however you like. I did this with some chocolate, some peanut butter, some strawberries, some sugar-free strawberry syrup, and some almonds, and of course our trilogy mix, which has our hemp hearts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. And this, of course, has the almonds, strawberries, chocolate, again the trilogy mix of the hemp, chai, and flax, and some chocolate granola. And I'm gonna put my sugar-free chocolate syrup on my strawberry. Give it a drizzle. It's kind of thick. So let's go ahead and let's taste our smoothie. So guys, it's all about being creative. You can have a smoothie bowl anytime you want. Breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. Yeah, that's right, I said dinner. Sometimes people don't feel like cooking, they feel like being a little laid back. And so you can still have something nutritionally sound in your stomach that's nutrient dense and have a smoothie bowl. And so I'm gonna taste our first bowl. That's good. Everything in here is delish. Granola, chocolate granola, strawberries, not overly sweet berry. Like if you're doing the keto diet, you probably couldn't have the granola. But everything else here you could have. You could even have this chocolate syrup because it's keto friendly and it's sugar free. And the nuts. And here, and even the strawberry syrup is keto friendly. Got a little bit of my peanut butter in here. I'm gonna be honest with you. What I love about this is that it's not overly sweet at all. In general, berries tend to be low in sugar. Raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. As you notice, there was no additional sugar added. Even though the syrup it says strawberry syrup, it's keto friendly and it has no sugar. So there was no additional sugar added into here, and that's what's great about this. So, here's our call to action. Do not forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you, and it helps us to go back to the thinking lab and creative lab and think about what can we do more. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. And we also welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you are enjoying my channel, do us a favor, a big, huge favor. Share this channel with your family and friends. I think they'll enjoy it as much as you do. And I want to thank you for taking your time to hang out with me today, where you got to make a smoothie bowl virtually with me. And you got to taste it virtually, but guess what? You can do this too. I made it so simplistic that if you don't have this nice, big, fancy machine, that's fine. Your bullet will work. Your blender will work. Anything. Your Ninja, whatever you have will work. Now, come back and hang out with me again soon. When my next video will come, you can hit the bell notification. You'll know when it does come out. And I look forward from hearing from you in the comments. So if you could drop me a line or two, let me know how you made your smoothie or what kind of smoothie you made. If you substituted anything, I'd appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Really love you. Thank you. Have a great day.